We've had the house now for a few weeks, so we got my little nephew Ronan over to help us from the Isle of Man, and we started clearing out the house. The garages were full of stuff that couldn't be saved due to all the weather damage, so we had to put what we could into the skip.
Wow!
Oh.
But once you know, nice and easy.
1,
2, and now we let go. Well done. Oh my God, Roisin. Oh my God. So there you go. Try it. Dig a hole, fill it again. See if it helps.
Right, what we're doing is we're going to open these.
We're going to clear all here first, just to finish one job.
Okay. We finally finished the first job we ever started on this house. We have a habit of starting multiple things and not finishing any, but that has just changed because we smashed this one out of the park.
So what we've got here is what I think, and it looks like an old compost bin. Old concrete one. It's absolutely zero use to us. So we're going to take it apart. I've had a look, if you look in here, at trying to take it apart, but I haven't got an angle grinder here. But they're just totally rusted on, and I've had no joy trying to get them off. So we've got a little lump hammer, and we're just going to knock it down and chuck it in the skip. I'm sure there is a few uses for it, but can't think of them right now, and it's just more of a hindrance at the moment.
Yeah, we don't need it at all, do we?
And I don't think we're ever going to... If you try and keep and recycle everything, you just end up with loads and loads of stuff.
Yeah, we don't want that.
So bits we can, we'll try and give away or whatever. But the concrete itself is not great either. So
yeah, it's already all cracked.
I've not done a lot with that. I think it's reinforced slightly. But so yeah, gonna take that down, skip it, and then we'll have a little bit more space here as well. Oh, there's one at the bottom. Just film at the end when it's done. Just gonna take ages. I've got a top shoveling tip. So it's not technically a shoveling tip, but when I was younger working, I always used to get a sore back because I was shoveling the same way. So I used to try in my head, make the day go a bit quicker as well. I'd do 10 one way, and then I'd swap and do 10 the other way. And then you even out the twisting a little bit. And I did find it helped because my back wasn't constantly loaded over the one leg. So I'd swap over and load over the other leg. So there you go. Try it. Dig a hole, fill it again. See if it helps. Let's go. I was worried about your toes.
Right.
So we've got two options.
And then flip it.
We could hook it over and then flip it.
Ready? We just have to lift it up.
Just lift it up an inch.
Yeah.
Watch your eyes.
That's good. Ready?
So we've got to think of where it's going to go. It's going to go, probably want to go like right where the cans are, or maybe that there.
Try not to hit the tripod.
So if you go up, straight up and out.
Alright, go your end.
Down, drop it down, drop it down, drop it down. And then let it
go. Watch the window.
I've got another top tip. So if you're ever cutting something of a length like this, have somebody, as Roisin is, on one end, just put a little pressure, bit of pressure down, and that opens up the joint. And if you lift it, it'll nip up and the saw gets jammed. So a little bit of pressure down, opens it up, and then the saw can glide.
Dan, we got rid of the flagpole.
Roisin? Not too much, is it?
There we go. Fish casserole. country bake,
Our recipe cards.
chicken casserole.
Plum chutney, etc.
Family cake.
Oh my god, 1967.
Where's that saw? One sec.
Can you help us lift?
I think we're better off bringing that round here, filling this space.
How we get it round?
I'll take it down the steps. I just want to get rid of this. You don't want to do what I said?
Nah. Ronan, we might need your help here, lad.
Hang on.
Watch your head, watch your head. Oh.
I know they need a really good clean now.
Getting up. Hang on. Hang on. Push it to me, straight up.
We just found some stamps.
They could be worth nothing. You can still use them. I think you can still use them if they're not stamped.
Should we try?
I'm sure you can still use them if they haven't been.
Yeah, let us know if anyone knows if we can use these stamps. Let us know in the comments, there's loads.
Look at that. If anyone wants anything sent in second class, let us know.
What year is this? Oh. 2015.
How eggshells are a cracking way, people be with there, to soothe insect bites.
Eggshells.
Oh my god, that is so cute. This is a little note that we found in the rubble. A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. Let's tackle the garages. Clearing everything out has given us clarity on what actually needs to be done in the house, and I think you're going to be pretty shocked with what we are forced into with the house next week.
Another great little tip that I've picked up so we can see better with these ones. Nail bar, some big old nails in there, and I've just not got the angle to get them, but stick a piece of wood under there, give you a little bit more. Obviously need to get it to the right, but then that just pops out there nicely. And look at that for a nail. Chunky. Same again there, so you just haven't got the nails too far out of the wall. So this is a good one I learned. So you can get a little bit of it there. Then you might need to mess about just to get the purchase a bit better. And then again, then you get that out nice and easy. And it's stuff like this. I don't know what I would have done. You know, if you don't know, how I'd have probably like pliers, angle grinder, hacked it out. But once you know, nice and easy. Christ, that's in there good. Easy as that. If anybody knows why they like damp garage walls, be interesting to know.
This on the deck, bro. Oh, flipping hell. That's not very slick, is it? You gonna put the ladders there? Careful. See, nice and level there.
Okay, so this is the second garage that we're in at the moment. So as you can see, similar size to the other one. It's been added on, so the wall over there has kind of been added to make it a little bit bigger, a bit of a different space. But I'll maybe use it for like a bit of a workshop or to do some of these little jobs in. Don't think the lights work, don't know if the electrics work. The garage door is broken.
Whoa.
So a bit to do, but not as dirty as the first one. So not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah.
Good space, isn't it?
Yeah, bit of old school
Keep it on.
storage, bit of old school storage there. Yeah,
Go out that way, and
doors are good.
that's the garden.
Yeah, out into the garden.
This is garage number 1 and then garage number 2, so 2 doors leading in.
Yeah.
But Ollie's got a bit of work to do on both of these, haven't you?
A little bit, yeah. See what happens. But yeah, not too bad really. I know the doors and the roof and the doors at the front aren't any good, but other than that, floors are solid. I like it.
That thing.
A little mothy.
Show.
I don't know.
It's very down. Why is it also down? Ah,
Save him. I even save the spiders, don't I?
yeah.
Try and save everything.
We don't like killing anything.
Oh my God, Roisin. Oh my God. I just put that moth on the wall and a robin's just come and eaten it. I thought I'll put him where there's a nice bit of space so that he can fly away, and the robin's just come and
Eating him.
just literally taken him right off the wall and eaten him.
Oh my God. Hello. So we are going to take this door down. Well, we're going to try because it's never been shut and it's completely rotted. Like that's all just crumbling off. Oh, that was a big bit. Oh my God.
I don't think it'll even shut. No, it's just
All done.
completely gone at the bottom.
Wow.
Oh. So let's try and pull here.
Yeah, that'll go.
Oh my God. Anyone need a door?
There's your door.
Right. Do you want me to help?
Well, that was easy.
Yeah, that was easy.
Wow.
What are these?
Just water.
They're water.
Yeah.
They're water butt. What are they called?
What?
Water buds.
Have a look. So it's a bit...
I was about to say before that massive sneeze. It's actually incredible. The air genuinely feels like medical air when I'm breathing it. You know, used to breathing in like dusty, horrible, dusty air. It's so nice to breathe in this thing. Is it overkill for an outdoor ventilated garage? Maybe. But it's a good test run for the plaster, and it'll definitely make a difference. I love this kind of shot here. I just feel like the whole place is just like ready to have some work done. Something taken apart, something put back together, something built, something broken, just ready to have kind of some work done. And that's why I mentioned to Roisin earlier, when we say we want the house to breathe with the lime and the old materials, it kind of gives the house that, personifies it a bit. And I think that's what we really love about these older properties. You know, you want to give it life, you want to restore it back to its kind of former glory. And this just is hopefully where we'll make some nice things, learn a lot. I love learning, I love I guess being able to, learn new things really, try new styles, adapt what I already know, progress it. And I'm really excited. So I've got the course coming up, the pointing course in January. Excited to learn about that, how to use line properly, how to point properly. Already spoken to the guys on the phone. They sound really, really good, really helpful. So yeah, excited to do that. And yeah, we'll see what can happen here. But yeah, until then, more dusty garages. Just thought I was going to start tackling this from the inside, but trying to be logical and sensible, I'm just going to hack at it from the outside and try and get rid of it at the source. As you can see, all going in through here and just all in the gutter, and quite literally pulling the gutter down and away there. So we'll get rid of that now. And you can see there again, I don't know how it does it, but it just creates its own soil. I don't know, is it there? But you can just see how much that's pulled down the gutter. Not going to do much guttering there, is it? And again, the damage, that's literally pulled a bit of the brick out. So that is why we got the ivy off the other side, and it just eats into the brick, and then the moisture, and that brick is just literally crumbling.
Make sure you tune in next week where we'll introduce you to the man, the myth, the legend, that is Tommy Quinn, aka Roisin's dad, aka a fiend for work. But you can see here, Tommy is plotting something and it's not good.
You don't know what you've done here, Tommy. You've opened a can of worms.
What?
You've opened a can of worms.